So as someone who's retired before 40 and now doing videos to help others transform their lives, I want to make this video and talk about you, to help you understand yourself better, to align your expectations in order for you to achieve your goals. See, misalignment can cause a lot of pain, but alignment can bring you loads of money. So I'll lay out the exact plan. I'll tell you as it is. You hate me or not, I don't care. I rather say the truth and be hated. Hi Chicken Gang, welcome back to the channel. There are 4.1 type of investors. How did I get 4.1? I'll explain later. The first and second type of investor is pretty simple. You have a job, you're okay to work for several more years, age 20 to 40s, and it's probably a large portion of you. The only difference is risk appetite. Type 1 has higher risk tolerance while Type 2 has lower risk tolerance, which is fine. Everybody's different. On the extreme end of Type 1 is concentration. Buying high quality stocks they understand on the level most people don't. Maybe 3 stocks at max. On the other hand is buying into indexes like SPY or NASDAQ 100 for diversification. Both ways you will reach your goals. The third type of investor, they want to gain their financial freedom really fast. The faster the better. The biggest problem I see in this category, they think they are type 1 investor. They say they know the risk. When the stock comes dropping down, they lose their minds. And if you have been following Wall Street bets, they are the degenerates. The only way I know how to make this work for type 3 investors, and there's no shortcut. You need to grind really hard, spending most of your time upgrading yourself with knowledge and taking action. The only break time you have is your sleeping time. You do this for 5 years, I assure you, you will be at a better place. Any less effort, you are better off being a type 1 or type 2 investor. Are you able to work 16 hours a day? And that was me many years ago. The fourth type of investor, you build enough wealth, your goal should be capital preservation. Mostly a good mix of stocks and properties. And you should be more skewed towards property for a store of wealth and a hedge against inflation. Not REITs. It's different, be clear. Any investment managers that recommend REITs, they are donkeys. I covered this previously, but long story short, if you calculate ROI from the down payment of your property and the returns yearly minus interest and other small expenses, your net should be 10% a year minimally. I'm getting 20% a year on one of my properties. I'll put a screenshot here on how the calculation is done and if you are interested. The 0.1 are investors who are young, rich, made it, blah, blah, blah. The type that sold millions of shares and spent $51 million on a castle. They don't need my help. That kind of money could have been spent on helping others. Money and luxury is never enough in life. So friends, wrapping up this episode, I hope you identified the type of investor you are and set the right expectations for yourself. Don't be honest about your situation. For me, I have discipline issues. I'm a really lazy person, so I do things to work around my laziness. You know, like burning my boat, so I have no choice but to move in that one direction, or paying for a nice gym, hire a PT, so I'll make the effort to go and set up a routine for myself to normalize myself into a habit so I get things done. Understand your weakness and set up systems to help yourself mitigate it and achieve whatever you want to achieve. And I hope this video helps you become a better investor and helps align you towards being a more productive person. I'm glad you make it to the end of the video, and as always, invest safe.